In today's market update video, we're going to be looking at the different trade opportunities setting up in the market currently. We're going to be looking at what are these trade opportunities, why we should be looking at them, and how we can trade them. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Till Napan here, founder of Master the Markets, Illiteracy Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today's thing is all about identifying the different market opportunities setting up. As before this video recording, I just took a look at the different opportunities. In fact, I just wanted to share one of the opportunities that we did take advantage of. One of them is Ethereum. Let me just go through Ethereum for you.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
In terms of this crypto opportunity over here, so if I go on to the daily time frame at the moment, in terms of the open equity, it is diminishing a little from its last confirmation of its bottom. Okay, this is what we call an SMC breakout, where it's taken out the last high. However, if you look on the weekly, however, you can see that the last top to bottom move, that last top was here, this was the confirmation, and then it did a retracement in an overall uptrend move. But what I want you to pay attention is this particular point over here. This is what we covered in the last market update, where we talked about a continuation primary. So if you take a look, I'm just drawing this out without the opens and closes, and you can then see over here that is your continuation pattern just setting up with this last green bar over here. Hasn't taken out this bar's high, hasn't taken out this bar's low as well. Okay, so let me just draw that very quickly for you guys. Up to this point over here is what I've drawn over here. Now that is where your opportunity is. You can either enter it as an aggressive point here or as a conservative point over here. So yesterday we did take it out on this point here as it broke out, and we'll be holding on to it for the long run. So if I were to put our entry level, it was more over here, which was just yesterday that happened, and that was our second position into Ethereum. And our stop loss, if you're going for a short trade, would be here for this low, or if you want to hold it for the long run, then you just buy it for whatever amount that you want to do. Okay, that's what you do. We'll be holding it for the long run. It's more a position trade that we are doing at the moment. Okay, so that's on Ethereum over there. Where will we exit this? Because remember, three things always: your entry, your trade management, and your exit. Your exit basically will be on where the combination of price and time, because this is a position trade, so we will take a combination of price and time. A price, we are going for about 40 times. You're holding it for the long run for about 3-5 years. Time horizon, as I said, will be about 5-6 years. So whichever comes first, or combination of both, then we may look to exit it. And the exiting, of course, then you have to decide in terms of, are you going to scale out or you're going to full exit the position. Okay, and continuously ask yourself, is there still value in this underlying instrument if you want to keep holding it on for the longer run in terms of a position trade. Okay, so that's Ethereum over there. That's a continuation pattern trade. So that's how we looked at it. But however, on the daily, please do be cautious that it might have some pullbacks. So be understanding to hold through those pullbacks.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
In terms of the other instruments, now I've looked at what is a trade opportunity here, how we're going to trade them. I looked at the continuation primary pattern entry as well. Why is this important? As you know, Ethereum is being adopted in several applications and by several institutions. The value is humongous. In terms of going into transition into Web 3.0, in terms of the whole blockchain technology, and also for NFTs being built mainly on the Ethereum network. So the value of it is really incredible, and this is just the starting. Okay, so definitely that's one of the things why it's so important to look into that and to look for trade opportunities in that. In terms of the other instruments traders, in terms of a market update, let me just run through it. So basically over here you got dollar Swiss over here, uptrend, open equity diminishing, I would say probably to the downside. Be cautious if you're taking a counter trend move over here. I'll be a bit aggressive on the moves before it starts to turn and go in its trend. Dollar yen on the other hand, you can see open equity definitely diminished to the upside. So have your trading stop losses a bit aggressive on this. In terms of GBP USD, open equity diminishing a little bit, but however this is the first interruption. I would say maybe there's still move left to the upside. If you do want to take it short, I would take a look at different levels, maybe for this first low to be taken out first. In terms of euro dollar, downtrend over here is what we are looking at, traders, and open equity diminishing to the upside because of these two interruptions that we've had so far. Aussie dollar on the other hand, open equity diminishing to the upside. If you're still running on this, then I would say a bit more aggressive on your trailing stop loss. Over here, we are on this position as well in the elite room as well as the live trading room. In terms of FTSE 100, open equity diminishing to the upside as well over here, so a turning point could occur and for its downtrend to then continue. Dow Jones, similar story. The first level I'll be taking a look at it for it to break before it creates its turning point would be 34201. Brent oil on the other hand, traders, what we're looking at over here is an uptrend over here. And open equity, I'll still see a little bit left to the upside, but if it does confirm, then we got a compression which might signal towards coming to the downside. Okay, that's that. Silver on the other hand, what do we have? More open equity to the upside. We did take a position on this yesterday in continuation with its trend. Gold, pretty similar, more open equity to the upside. Bitcoin coming back steadily up again at $45,000, just a little bit under uptrend. I would say more open equity still to the upside. Just be cautious if it does do a pullback. Next level to take a look at for breakout is the 45,000 level, which has had a bit of resistance over there. Ethereum on the other hand, as I've already analyzed it earlier, nice breakout to the 3,000 level resistance over there, and then Ripple on the other hand, we can see over here is finally crossed past its resistance level here at about 80 pence, and it's still hovering around and using it as a support. We'll still see if there is more upside. In terms of open equity, a little bit more diminishing to the upside, maybe a bit more pullback before it carries on to the upside. Okay, so that's that in terms of the markets and looking at the opportunities and the different open equity out there left in the markets. Now we move on to our performance. So let me just bring that up. So that's our performance on our live trading room journal over there. We've been recording it since January over here. As you can see, we can see that the trades that have been closed out for this week, 21st to 25th March, you can see 3 trades closing out at 0.5. Other 2 have been a bit flat. The elite room has done it on the cash in 4.0 100 pips. In terms of the summary of the positions over here, we've just recorded here market update 25th March 2022. Elite room 2% up in terms of a cash in 4.0 100 pip strategy. In terms of live trading room, it's up 1.5%, mainly all coming from the 1-day exit on the 80% open equity strategy. Okay, across both rooms, 3.50% up. Okay, we'll be doing a total analysis of the whole Q1 report, Q1 performance report. We've done really very well across both rooms, a little bit over 20%. So far so good this year going forward, with all the volatility coming in, and also with our sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies. Traders, of course, if you do want to learn any one of this, I would highly recommend the Trader Starter Pack video series. Take a look at that and go through the material in there. 12 years of trading research compiled in there, and also taught by institutional quants as well. Highly valuable free content over there. Okay, you can find the link below this video. Alright traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this market update video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.